Hi! In front of me is TCL 405 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Following that, select Alarm section at the top left corner. And to create your alarm, tap on this plus at the bottom. Now set up an hour. And when you finished, click on the gray sweater next to repeat if you wished for your alarm to repeat. Then select the days of the week by tapping on the ones that you wish to get rid of. Then click on the ones that you wish to set up, in my case Mondays and Fridays. Following that, select ringtone. Click on Add New at the top to pick music from your smartphone or select one of those ringtones. I will go with guitar. When you're ready, just click on the back button. After that, you can tap on the sweater next to vibration to disable or enable them. Click on label at the bottom, type in wherever you wish to, and select OK. When you finish, to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the sweater next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, hold it and tap on this pin at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!